Hello, 7th grade. We are in the last session of Unit 2. So after this week, you will be completely done with Unit 2. Great job. You've read a lot of short stories. You this week are going to choose between the short stories that you have read. So real quick, let's just go into the folder. Remember to access it over here, fall semester, Unit 2, short story. And down here, understanding the human experience. So you'll see this week that there's a community building discussion. Remember that those are optional. However, if you do participate, you get extra credit points. This is just a place for you guys to hang out. It's just to have a fun conversation with your classmates. Just a little bit of social time. So do it or not. If you do it, extra credit. If you don't do it, no worries, no penalty. One important thing to note is your first activity will be done on Actively Learn. It's a different program other than Schoology. So here on this page, you're going to get your directions. And then there's a video that you need to watch that tells you how to access the assignment and submit it. So make sure you watch that. Here's another important page, important directions for the session. It says for the session, you will choose the same story you chose for the activities in the last session. You will complete 2.5.2 and 2.5.3 using the story you have chosen, the links to the story below. So if you chose, Scarlet Ibis last session, choose it this session too. The reason for that is because you did some analysis last week that's really going to help out your project this week. So come back here. And we're going to figure out theme. Remember that theme is the moral lesson. It's what the author wants the readers to learn from the story. So we're going to be discussing right here. You can respond to anyone there because we've all read the stories. Well, I guess a little correction. We've read 2 out of the 3 of the stories, all of us have. So make sure that you are responding to at least one person in that discussion. Obviously, you don't have to respond to someone that chose the story that you didn't choose, but choose someone that of the story that you did read in the past few weeks. So yeah, there's that. And then project directions is going to be a pretty important page. It's going to tell you how to complete this unit project here. So you'll complete it for either Scarlet Ibis 7th grade or Lamb to the Slaughter. And you have, let's see here, 4 choices here. 4 choices, you do one of them. You don't do all 4 of these. You do one. And you follow directions to the assignment. So one's a graphic novel, one is journal entries, one is an interview, and then one is an obituary or eulogy. They're pretty different. An obituary and a eulogy are pretty different things. So make sure that you click here to see the obituary and here to see the eulogy if that's what you choose. Please also make sure you use in-text citations. That's a really important part of this. If you don't know what that is, watch this video here and then you'll submit it. That's our week here. We're trying to wrap it all up to figure out how these characters do relate to us, especially because last week we talked about how our settings can impact us just the same as they impact the characters. One thing to note here, on Friday, October 23rd, I will not be available the whole day. I'll be traveling that day, so just make sure that if you have a question about something, if you need help with something, if you need to reach out to me for anything, that you do it before Friday, October 23rd. I will not be available that day by text, by email, or by phone. So yes, please just make sure that if you have questions, get them to me before Thursday. I don't have anything else for you guys right now. I hope you have a great week.